Okay, this is the next one. I never really had a love for smoking, uh, so I had this idea. Uh, what would happen if fish in the ocean or in a river or something didn't like the idea of people smoking in the river or other fish smoking in the river? They wanted to do what most people do and ask them to go outside. And this is the idea of take it outside. And I had this idea of these fancy cigarette holders that look like periscopes. And I thought it was quite a nice idea that if you're going to literally take it outside of the sea or the ocean or a river, it would actually have to go outside the water. And so the cigarette would literally have to be above the surface of the water. And this is where the idea came from for taking it outside.